be trapping.
To my tutorials, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The last tutorials we worked on some stuff that we used to slow our system or your system down, and we used some commands. We used the percentage, 10%. We worked on different stuff and everything. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys just one part of this, and we continue. So I'm going to be working on the task manager. So you've already known, you should know what a task manager is on your system. It's actually a system app that monitors your programs that you use on the system. It provides information maybe on the memory, on the CPU, all the stuff and everything. So most times you use your task manager to close an app, maybe an app that is hanging on an app that is running unnecessarily on your system. Maybe for example, you are running on a program and you notice your system is slow. You can as well go to your task manager to close up the app and continue, and you see your system will start working efficiently and okay. Alright, so waste no time. I'm going to take you to the task manager from my system. I just press Windows and type task manager, and it's out. Alright, so that's how the task manager looks like. So you can check the power usage, and the OBS Studio is on the higher level, very high, because it's the current app that I'm using now, and also my Windows Explorer. Alright, so maybe I'm running something on my system and I found out that maybe an app is slowing down my system. So from here I can be able to close up the app and continue what I'm doing. So one of the things that task manager does is that. Alright, so I'm going to be working with one. Maybe for example, my let me say my Dropbox maybe it's slowing my system down. So I'll just click on this place and I'll just say end task. So I'm just gonna end this. So I've been able to close up my Dropbox, and I found out that it's taking my power and everything, having a very high power usage, and maybe my memory and my disk. So I can be able to close up all those apps that makes my system to be slow. Maybe when I'm working on a project, I'm working on something, yeah. So you can as well go to this place, you can see the processes of the CPU and the memory and everything, right? So, and as well here you can see the app history, the CPU time, network and everything. Right, so let's get back to our main work. So from here I can be able to, you can also be able to run this on your system. Remember, we use the task manager to run it, yeah. Alright, so you can as well use your Windows key or keyboard to get this. So how can you get this on? Let me go back so you see. So on your keyboard you can be able to run something like this. You can say Control Shift Escape. So it brings up your task manager. So there are two ways you can be able to bring it up. First, you can come to your search button and look for it, or you use the your keyboard keys to look for it. Alright, so that's it for task manager. So I'm going to be showing you something quite interesting on your PC. Alright, let me see. For example, I want to capture my task manager. I want to have this as a picture on my device. Alright, so maybe I have some information here that I want to send to somebody. Instead of using my phone or any device to snap this and capture it, I can use my system. Most times if you're working with an Android, you call it the screenshots, but here on the system we have a different name. So I'm going to be showing that to how you can be able to capture the screen and just convert it to become a picture and we can use it. So we are going to be using what we call a sniping tool. So you can type in on your system sniping tool. I will open this. So this is my sniping tool app. So I want to capture this. I want to take a shot of this and as well save it as a picture, so maybe I can be able to use it to analyze something or anything. So I will just click on new, drag this down. So I'm trying to get a picture of this, so I'll just leave it at this size and let me make it full. Alright, so I've been able to capture my task manager. So I'm going to save it. So I'm going to choose a location to save it. I guess maybe I will save it on my music. I will save it as task manager. I'll save it as task manager. Save. So I've been able to save this as a picture. So you use your sniping tool. Maybe you're watching a movie and you saw something that is very important to you and you want to just capture it, and as well pause the movie and use your sniping tool to get it. Alright, so we're going to be looking for this on my gallery. So I'll go to this place, my music. So I'm going to look for it. Alright, so that's the picture here. So I'll just open it. Okay, so you can see my task manager have been converted into a picture. So as well I can use this to do anything. Maybe there is something I want to get from this place and I want to maybe print it out, send it for somebody, or use it to run something in any place. Maybe something you want to run, you can use your sniping tool to get it. Alright, so that's it for sniping tool. So as another thing I want to show you on this PC that you can as well be able to run it on your PC too. So I will just leave this place. Alright, so maybe I'm running on something. I have a list of things that I want to do for the day on my PC, and maybe I don't have notes with me physically and I want to just make a note on my system. Alright, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do that. So we're going to be using something we call a sticky note. Sticky note, I'll just bring it up. So it's loading. Alright, so let's create something else. So I've already been able to use some stuff here to save some stuff. So I would say maybe I want to use my sticky note to, I have some stuff to do maybe in the office. I have some tasks for the day. Let's say one. I'm going to be doing a system upgrade. Maybe the second, I'm going to be going for a lunch, and so I'm going to install an app on my phone. So I'm just trying to make a list of stuff that I'm going to be doing for the day. So in case maybe within hours I get to forget, so I can use my sticky note to get back to my informations, and I can also say, okay, I've been able to run through the system upgrade, took my lunch, and I've been able to install this app on my phone. So I've been able to run these three things for the day. So maybe you can as well get new notes. Just add some other things. So this is what sticky note helps you to do. to place what you want to do for the day, your agenda for the day, and business of the day and other stuff. So that is what sticky note helps you to do. Alright, so that's it for this class. The next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you something also different and good. Alright, so I'm sure you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next tutorial class. Bye for now.